Hey everyone, it's Matt from Little Tree Auto again. Tonight we are going to be doing a brake inspection on a 2013 Nissan Altima. And customer complaint is that they went to a dealership for an oil change that they get free oil changes at, and they said that there's something with their rear calipers and that the pads are wearing. So they were quoted over $400, so I'm assuming they're not just recommending a brake service and that it's a caliper that they're saying is stuck. So we're just going to check that out and let them know. It is hotter than Hades out here today. It's like 8:30 at night and the dew point feels like it's like 70, so it's a sticky one. So I've got it over the lift. We're going to lift the car up now. And as usual, I'm not doing any editing. I don't have time, so if I'm going to do this, this is how it's going to be done. Going up. Oop. And we do not have a wheel lock key, so I already got one off. I wanted to make sure I had a socket that I could get these off with, and I did. Take this off. One. And let me grab my 21 millimeter. Okay. 21. Yep. I'll bring you with me for a minute. It's a little messy out here tonight. So we got the big hammer of Thor. Take its wheels off. I feel like I did these brakes like a year or two ago. Let's check them out. Okay. So there's pad left, but that's not all you do for a brake inspection. We want to see if things are moving. Grab my screwdriver. Not to be used as a pry bar, but to be used as a pry bar. Get behind there and pull it. So what this shows us is that the sliders are moving in here. I was able to move that. That's a good thing. And I can also see that the piston is moving very easily too. Next we'll see if do the pads move in there. Are they stuck? That pad moves fine. And does this pad move fine? Does. Look at that. That's a little sticky in there. All right, let's look at the other side. This side's okay. Now you're gonna see how I take this wheel lock off. Okay. So in this case, these are all the Nissan lug nuts are 21 millimeters. And you see here the dreaded lock. I'll have to give these guys a hard time because they have steel rims and the lock. So this is a 19 millimeter 12 point and snug. About to see the effectiveness of the wheel lock. There you go. So, throw those out. I assure you the criminals know that trick. Probably have better tricks than that, actually. Alright, same thing here. So this one, the pad is warped. You can see from here. It's just about to the metal. See this little hole in the back. So we'll see what happened here though with the nut that we just used. On light. Tighter. So get this light on my face for a second. So we gotta observe what's moving and what isn't. The top is moving. This is not moving. You see it's flexing at that point as like a pivot here. Here, we can still check the piston. Same way, just get that in there. Carefully, you can chip these. Went in fine. So they in fact did not need calipers. Piston moved very easily. Now, is this gonna come out of here? Maybe, maybe not. If it's seized really good, you know, you can heat this up, try to work it out. It could break in there. I am not equipped to do this tonight, but they do need brakes, rear brakes here. So this pad is just about metal on metal, and try to see if we can tell. That pad moved very easily. I suspect this one is frozen. Pretty much. It doesn't matter if it is. This is being held against the rotor by this stuck pin right here.